Quality inspection doesn't scale in modern manufacturing. At Bucket Robotics, we turn CAD files into production-ready inspection systems before the first part ever hits your line. Most automated inspection systems fail in one of two ways. Either you've built a defect detector that is too sensitive and says that every single component is a defect because of false positive conditions like changes in shadow or changes in how your camera is positioned, which leads to a bad outcome because then you have a person who is double checking your robot. Or you are building a system from manual samples. So you have to wait for your continuous line of parts to go by and then have someone train and tune your camera. This is fine for one-off science projects, but it means that when you're trying to scale up to, a body in white facility where you may have 75, 150, 300 cameras, that's untenable. And so we wind up having is really high quality hardware and then manual operators. With Bucket Robotics, we start from the CAD file of a component. Because the part already exists digitally, inspection should start digitally. You're not tuning a camera, you're defining a standard. By building from the CAD file of the components that we're looking at, we're able to use our synthetic data system to deploy to different backgrounds, different characteristics of what you care about for your defects, and different hardware environments. You go through the lifetime of the part, from stamping to polishing to finishing to assembly to painting, and then beyond. Once we have the CAD file of the component that we're inspecting, it's incredibly easy for us to generate your data set of what a defect is or isn't, and be able to retune that and then deploy to multiple cameras. We simulate lighting, we simulate shadows, we simulate orientation, we simulate hardware variation, and we train a production-ready model from day one. If inspection depends on recollection and relabeling data every time something shifts, you're always behind. With synthetic data built from geometry, we simulate those scenarios before they become operational problems.
In manufacturing, there's lots of inherent variability. SKUs are going to change, colors are going to change. You don't want to have to recreate models and start recollecting data all throughout that time.
Inspection isn't just about catching defects. It's about traceability. When inspection doesn't replicate cleanly across lines or facilities, you lose consistency. You get different thresholds, different tuning decisions, different operator overrides, and over time, that creates uncertainty in your quality data.
You give us the CAD up front, a few real images, and from there, we can create you a robust solution that works across lines.
You focus on manufacturing, we focus on quality inspection, generating models at a scale of data that could never be collected manually. Built from geometry, designed to survive.